Hey guys, Coach KIRKSHINTA here. Welcome back to another video. If you most likely are either in $25 one up or you're looking at $25 one up and you would like to know how to generate free targeted leads to your $25 one up business, right? So that you could earn the commissions that we're positioned to earn. I myself have made now at this point over $28,000 with this system, work from home. And it pays out amazing commissions of $125, $250, $500, and $1,000 commissions. I got a $500 commission just the other day. So as you can see, I'm one of the top 10 earners of all time. And I'm number 6 on the leaderboard for this week, right? Out of all the thousands of affiliates. So I'm going to give my best advice about how to get targeted leads. I'm going to look over at my board over here. You can't see it. It's over here. I'm going to give my best advice on how to get targeted leads to your business so that you can earn these amazing commissions, okay, from home, just as I've been able to do. So I'm going to give you my best advice. And one thing that I want to talk about as I frame this, okay, I want to make it clear that there's a lot of people out there teaching people tactics that don't convert, okay? Everything that I teach converts, and that's why I teach strategies that actually are high converting versus just teaching people gimmicks, because I don't know really how to teach people. That's what a lot of people do. They don't know how to teach people. So they say, I don't want to teach you it. I don't want to teach you how to work social media. I don't want to teach you this and that. So I'll just tell you to buy a solo ad because that's easy. You just swipe your credit card and they don't got to teach you nothing. And meanwhile, you spend your money and you're not getting results. No, I'm not about that life. So everything I teach, I do. And that's that. All right. So first thing that I want to say is before you even begin the process of generating leads, that you have to remember that all these are actually people that get onto a list. Okay, that's all it is. So when people talk about leads and traffic and all these things, they're actual real people that get on a list. So one of the first things that you want to do before you even start the process of generating targeted leads is to make a commitment to have a daily routine to generate leads. Notice the first thing I said was commitment. Commitment, right? So I work my business. I have office hours from 10 to 12 and 7 to 9. No matter what, right? No matter what. So you have to carve out time to actually create whatever results you have. So first thing is, before you even start generating targeted leads, make a commitment to a daily routine where you can focus on doing the activities that generate you consistently targeted leads. Okay, so once you've got past that, you've got past you, which is the first obstacle, discipline and commitment, right? You've gotten past you. Now you can actually begin the process of generating some leads on a consistent basis, and not trash leads. We're going to talk about high converting leads, right? So one of the things you want to realize about lead generation is that all leads are not quality. All leads don't convert the same. One of the best sources of high converting leads, if you're looking for what you should actually do to generate targeted leads, is video marketing. So for people who are hiding and they're watching all these people, and I get it. I get the fear. But the reality is, if most people who join someone, they watched all their videos, right? So what makes you think that you don't need to do video marketing? Video marketing converts like you would not believe. Why? Because it answers people's questions along the way. It builds know, like, and trust, right? So a lot of times people don't have a lot of questions about, most of the time their only question is, where do I go to sign up? How do I sign up? And that's what you want in your business. You want to have a business where you're not convincing people, where you are just putting out simple pieces of content, 5-minute to 10-minute videos, right, about your business, and allowing people to make the decision for themselves to join. Not you convincing people, not you dropping a spam link and inboxing people who didn't ask for your link anyways, right? Things like that. Not you posting a company logo and branding the company, okay? So I want you to think very clearly, or I want you to make a decision and commitment that if you truly want to build a business that pays you over and over again, as it has done for me, across multiple streams, Make a commitment to video marketing. Just do it. What are we talking about? Doing a video that you could upload as a live. Doing a video you can upload to YouTube. Now, out of the two, which one will get you the best quality leads? Definitely YouTube, but you could put the same video on both platforms, Facebook and YouTube. Okay? YouTube, here's why YouTube is supreme when it comes to search engine traffic, because it is a search engine, meaning that people type in $25 one-up review or whatever it is that they type in, they're looking for something, right? So you don't have to convince them to look for a home-based business opportunity. You don't have to convince them to want to work from home. They're already typing that in. And when they stumble upon your video, they're one step closer to a decision. So if you're not doing video marketing and you're just doing all these other things, that's all I have to say. Another source of high converting leads is Facebook groups. Okay, what I want to show you is wait, let me hold that thought. So Facebook groups. Okay, here's why Facebook groups is a great source of high converting leads. You can join work from home, make money online groups, and your niche is hiding out there. They're hanging out there. I shouldn't say hiding out. They're hanging out there, right? These are people who are actively looking for make money online, work from home programs. Okay, so you can definitely leverage that and be able to introduce people to the $25 one-up work from home opportunity in those groups. Okay, the next thing is, I'm just gonna say this with I'm gonna give my best advice. Okay, here's that. Solo ads. People always ask me all the time, can solo ads be a source of high converting leads? Absolutely, if you have two things in place. One, you have a good solo ad provider, meaning a solo ad provider that they provide quality leads, okay? Unique quality leads, okay? I have a great solo ad provider. I don't use solo ads in my own business, but occasionally I test solo ad vendors for my team for those who choose to use solo ads, okay? Now you have to understand that with solo ads, the purpose is not to get sales. A lot of people say, oh my God, I ran a solo ad and I got like 6 people or I got however many people, but I don't know how to convert them into sales. You're not going to convert them into sales if they didn't already buy. The reality is that if you're not building an email list and then sending to that list either content, i.e. your videos on the opportunity, or you're sending to them 3 points that I want to point out that you should be sending to your list: results, value, and lifestyle. That means results showing that you and or people in the company or your team are getting results, showing proof, right? Value, showing them the value of the system, how the system works, how they could get started, right? Giving them a tip, right? Showing them you're a real person, lifestyle. Okay, if you're not sending your list those 3 things, those people are just sitting on a list. It's a dead list. You have to push some content towards the list to convert the list. Think about how many people whose list you're sitting on. They're sending you emails on a regular basis to convert you to buy their offers, right? So if you're going to be doing solo ads, realize that you don't just buy a solo ad, and you might get a sale here and there, like 1 or 2, right? But if you're talking about being able to convert those solo ads en masse, or those people who came from that solo ad en masse to buy from you, you have to do that work of sending content to your list. So my advice for beginners is save your coins and don't do solo ads. Get to video marketing, okay? Now, let me show you in the system some resources that you have to actually know how to do these things on video marketing, Facebook groups, in particular. Solo ads is a whole different story because you want quality vendors. Okay, so let me show you in your $25 one-up back office, your products. Why is my computer doing this? Okay, I need a new computer. Okay, hold on a second. So in your back office, I want to take you through some resources that you have available to you. Make high converting videos, learn how to do that, and also Facebook groups. Leverage them so that you could get high converting leads. High converting meaning every lead generation strategy is not equal, right? I don't ever waste my time doing any strategy that doesn't convert. There's a lot of way to get leads. Do those leads convert? Okay, so let's talk about that. So at the gold level, right, if you click on pre-rent ads and more, I want to point out some resources that a lot of people don't know in the system that you have at your disposal. So let's get to it. I think my computer's doing something. Hold on. Okay, it's spinning. Yeah, definitely need to get a new computer. Okay, here we go. It's loading. All right, so right here, you have a Facebook groups cheat sheet, which shows you how to leverage Facebook groups to be able to get leads. Okay, another thing you have access to, okay, are pre-written ads. Okay, I think I like where is it? Number 1, pre-written ads number 1. Okay, so you can use, when you're doing videos, use the pre-written ads as your headline, because what I see a lot of people do is they just go make a video. They have no headline. Okay, so like for example, let's click on one of these. And your headline is essentially the hook. It's the thing that you get, that you post with your video to tell people, make people pay, okay? And then ask you for information so they can hop in your inbox or so on and so forth, okay? So like for example, if you did a video, okay, you did a video looking for 5 people that would like to earn multiple 125 daily payments, and you went live. Of course, I would not say the $25 one-up name. I would just say, hey guys, I'm, whatever about the work from home opportunity. I'm with the work from home opportunity, blah, blah, blah. Give them like the 5 or 6 points about the company and give a call to action. Tell them if you want to learn about what I'm doing, how other people are winning from it, whatever, or you could tell them in the comments, there's some proof, etc., 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 right? Boom. Now you're generating leads, interested people that raise their hand, right? It's almost like pre-screening. They're interested. They hop in your inbox. Boom, you deliver the link. Okay, easy. That's why video marketing converts leads better than a lot of other strategies that people are trying to avoid being visible. Okay, so that's one option, one resource you have available to. I want to show you at the platinum level. Okay, when you click on platinum video training, this gets to Facebook groups marketing. So when you get to the platinum level and you click on the Facebook training, I want to show you some resources that's going to help you level up your Facebook marketing and your Facebook group marketing as a platinum member. Okay, so hold on. And all the other levels, 250, 500, 1,000, also have access to this as well. Okay, so the Facebook training at the platinum level, okay, it's taking a minute, my computer is slow. I think it's more my internet than my computer, but that's a whole nother story. Let me see, is it downloading? Okay, right here in the is information on leveraging Facebook groups. Okay, how do you leverage them the right way to get the right leads and sales to your business. Okay, and even better, here's a resource that a lot of people don't pay attention to. If you come over right here on the left hand side, which is resources, click on system resources. Okay, this is how you actually get targeted leads from Facebook groups without having to figure out what group should you be posting in, right? So what you do is you come over to system resources and you click on it. Okay, so once you're here in system resources, scroll. Okay, you're gonna click on high converting leads, not just wasting your time, right? You have to have a follow-up routine. What I want you to do is just remember that follow-up is simple. Anybody who asks you for information, check back in with them. Hey, you got any questions? Here's a testimonial. Be human, okay? Another thing is you have a built-in tool for follow-up right in your $25 one-up back office. So if you come over here to, hold on, I gotta scroll over. Okay, if you come over to, I wanted to scroll down a little bit, I can't really see. Okay, contacts. So if you come over here to contacts, And you click on broadcast. Okay, let's just do that for today. Okay, what I would encourage you to do, I give my team a broadcast email already, but if you don't have one, just type up the same email every week. I want you to commit to one day you're going to broadcast your list, right? So what the system will do is, if you're using the system funnel pages, it will collect the emails of all the people who opt into your list. You can send them an email every week. Thanks for being a member on my list. Welcome, right? Get started here, you know, whatever. Like, have a sample email that you can send out every single week to your list to follow up. Okay. So you want to do that. If you want to attach some pictures, some proof pictures or things like that, you can do that. And then all you have to do is just check all and go ahead and hit send. There you go. Okay, and hit send. I would encourage you to get in the habit of sending that to your list every single week, maybe the same day, every Wednesday. Follow with your list. So that would send out an email blast to anybody who's already on your list, right? But any new members who've come in for the week, okay? Another thing you can do is when you click on contacts, okay? And follow-up is where, you know, generating leads is cool. But if you're generating leads and there's no follow-up behind it, they're just sitting on your list, okay? So another thing you can do, and I'm not going to do this because I don't want to block out all my person's information. That's just too much work. So, but if you go to contacts and you click on view contacts, it's going to show you the people who've come into your list who are recent. Okay. What you can do, or come into your system, I should say, that are recent. What you can do is make a habit of texting or emailing those people, either one, and saying, hey, thanks for being on my list. You know, I just wanted to introduce myself. I'm so-and-so and so-and-so. Add me on Facebook. And by the way, if you're ready to get started, the next step is to, boom, drop your link. Get started here. Purchase a package and get started here. That's it, my friends. Don't overcomplicate it. So follow-up is one of the things that it'll lead you closer to the sale than just letting people just sit on a list. Just let them sit there. Okay? So that's that. All right? I hope this was of value. If you're in $25 1 Up and you're looking for training on how do I actually make this thing work? Maybe you're on somebody else's team and you're like, what the hell, Shan? Like, how are all your people like crushing it? And I'm seeing their testimonials on your channel, blah, 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 blah. And I see you made 28,000. Can you give me the insider? Yes, you can. You can get that from me. You can actually absolutely purchase my training. So message me for information on that. If you're looking to join $25 1 Up and you want to know how my team keeps it simple with some simple strategies that we do on a daily basis, income producing activities to keep our business moving forward and getting leads, getting sales, things like that, then definitely you want to purchase a package. Make sure that you understand that access to my tribe starts at platinum or higher. All right, my diamond, enterprise, and elite people get additional bonuses. But all my members get access to my training and my Thursday night trainings as well. All right, so that's that. Smash the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video, my friend. Bye.